At home, I have a small fish called a Betta, also known as the Siamese fighting fish. She lives in a small aquarium with Endler's live bearers and 3 African dwarf frogs. Today, I decided to try painting her with watercolors. Watch how it turned out! This time, I began by soaking the whole sheet. I wanted a soft, wet-on-wet background. Good cotton paper handles this beautifully. Then I continued painting as usual. I rested my hand on a ruler to keep it steady and avoid touching the paper too much. If you enjoy the video, I'll be very happy.